It's a new 2019 GMC Terrain. This SUV will be the perfect fit for your family with power and efficiency and surprising cargo space. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, front heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth streaming audio, auto-dimming rearview mirror, dual zone climate control, auto-dimming mirrors, external memory control, active grille shutters, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and power heated mirrors. Edmonds.com reports a small crossover, the Terrain stands out thanks to its stylish cabin, versatile back seat, ample standard features, and sophisticated driving manners. GMC, professional grade vehicles suited to fit your needs. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.